Wow, my babies, all this stuff outside. You would never guess how much it is. A wonderful price. Wow, my babies, a great price. Hi, my babies. I'm at the Family Dollar. As you can see, they have some clothes outside. Let's get in and see what they got. Wow, my baby, they said most of the stuff out here is $1, guys. $1 for the stuff outside. Not bad. $1. That's because it's getting hot. They need to get rid of some of this winter stuff. $1, guys. Have 50% off for this stuff here. Look like some good stuff in here. 50% off. See a few things on clearance over here. $4, probably a little bit cheaper. Let's get me some of these. Since it's getting hot, what color is it? Purple, probably $5, like it said. Let's check the silver one more time. Okay, $2.97. This shirt right here, not bad. $3. Not bad. Okay, what's these? Ooh, let's check these. Nope, so it was that blue. It's not bad. $3, $4 with tax. I've been trying to get here on a Saturday so I can get my $5 off. I've just been feeling like crap lately here. Just, I don't know. I know why, because my mom's birthday is coming up in a couple of weeks. This time every year, Mother's Day and her birthday, and my grandma's birthday, I just feel like crap. These were on sale last time I came, like 50% off. Guess we can check to see. $197. The picture to go in the bathroom, $197. $10, $8 off, not bad at all. Yeah, that one's $197, like a $2 off. But this one, but that's not bad. I think it was $2.97. Yeah, not bad. $5 now. I don't know. I think they was that much. Yeah, those was half price. 16. Just 32 for those. They company said twin. Half off. Okay, that one not on sale. That one look the same, but no, they don't. But that one is half off. So, 2 for $5 power cleaning gel. 2 for $4.50. They say $2, so it's $5 instead of $7. Say $2, $5. So those is $5 instead of $7. Yeah, I guess they sure is 85 cents. Not bad. 33 to 75. Ooh, 177. Okay, not bad. Well, 177. I think that's how much it was last time. Some game for $10. Let's see, is it any cheaper? No, $10. Okay. The hand soap thing might be cheaper. Never know. Oh, $2.47. 50 cents cheaper. Yep, $2.47. $9.95. 2 boxes. Last time those was, I think, 70 cents. Let's see. Now they want $1.25. Should be a little cheaper than that. So you might well spend 50 cents and get the bigger one. So I'm gonna get that. They still have their 50% off. It's 4 for $5. You still have this on here, 50% off. So guess they're gonna carry this for a while. Not bad at all. I really do need some. I was trying to wait till I get my $5 off. This is a bigger one. I don't know. How much is it though? How much is this one? And I think those was 3 something. That's too much. I can go to Home Depot, Walmart, and get the big one for that price. So yeah. Over here, $1 off for the pillows. They got good chairs for $10. There goes $3.50. Nope. $4.95. No. Okay. Over here. That's what they have over here. Let's scan a couple of things to see. No, $3.95. $4.50 for those. No, I don't see nothing in there. Let's see. $4.95, not bad for $2. Not bad. No, those are $4. What's 25 cents off? Not bad. That's the stuff in there. Over here. Oh, $3.75. Then it say on stock, so that means it should be coming on sale. That's what I heard it meant. $2.95. Costs more in there on the app. I don't see nothing in there. Let's try these. Ooh, $7.50 with a Philly Gourmet 100% pure beef package. $7.50. 75 cents off. $2.50. It's not bad. $2.50 for that. $5.25. It's not bad. Both of those are $5.25. Strawberry. Not bad. $3.75 for that. $5.75. No. $3.75. So I guess the water is $1. Not bad for Arrowhead. So far I just got that. I think my son needs that to cook with today. Can't get no candy bar no more for $1. 4th of July. It's coming. I don't think that thing worked. They need to take those down. Bye, guys.